Vedic philosophy. 5 types of yajnas, sacrifices. 1. Concept of action or karma in Hinduism. In daily life, humans are constantly performing actions, consciously or unconsciously. Wrong actions, harming others, causing loss or pain, require atonement. Scriptures like the Vedas and Upanishads prescribe rituals or yajnas as a way to purify oneself. 2. Purpose of yajna. Yajna means sacrificial ritual performed to maintain cosmic balance, seek forgiveness, or express gratitude. 2 main roles in a yajna. Yajman or Jajman, the sponsor or host for whom the yajna is performed. Ritvik, the priest who performs the ritual. Eligibility, traditionally performed by householders, married individuals. 3. 5 types of yajnas. Pancha Mahayajnas. 1. Brahma Yajna, offering to Brahman, Supreme Soul, and honoring Vedic knowledge. Performed for spiritual learning and remembering our dependence on divine wisdom. Involves study, teaching, and offerings to learned Brahmins. 2. Deva Yajna, offering to gods or deities, example Indra, Agni, Varuna. Done to maintain harmony with nature and cosmic forces. Examples rituals for rain, health, and prosperity. 3. Pitru Yajna, offering to ancestors. Includes caring for living parents and performing shraddha after their death. Purpose, express gratitude and help ancestors' souls attain peace. 4. Bhuta Yajna, offering to all living beings, animals, birds, insects, even unseen beings. Acts of kindness, feeding cows, crows, dogs, etc. Aims to repay our debt to other creatures for supporting our life. 5. Manushya or Atithi Yajna, sometimes called Niri Yajna, offering to guests and humans. Hospitality, charity, and helping those in need. 4. Key principles of yajna. Intent matters. Sacrifice works only when done with sincerity, purity, and compassion. Daily practice. These yajnas can be integrated into everyday life without elaborate arrangements. Purpose. Not just ritual, but a reminder of our duties to God, nature, ancestors, other beings, and humans. 5. Summary table. Yajna type. Offered to. Purpose. Example practices. Brahma Yajna, offered to Brahman, scriptures. Maintain Vedic learning, spiritual growth. Study scriptures, offerings to Brahmins. Deva Yajna, gods or nature forces. Gratitude to divine and natural powers. Fire rituals, rain prayers. Pitru Yajna, ancestors. Respect and aid for ancestors' souls. Shraddha, feeding Brahmins in their name. Bhuta Yajna, living beings. Harmony with animals and unseen beings. Feeding animals, protecting nature. Manushya or Atithi Yajna, guests and humans. Hospitality, social responsibility. Charity, feeding guests.